Son, you're gonna stay here? You could come with us. Ah, you're so cute. Come on. Come on. Morning. As you can see, we have a lot of things going down today in the backyard. We've got new soakaways being dug out. We've got pipes being dug out. We've got coffee being dug out. And we got Junior here, going to give some expert junior advice on how to shine your shoes. And the prosecutor Dave is going to correct any inaccuracies that he comes up with. Here we go. Junior, what are those?
Shoes.
Great. And how does one properly shine their shoes?
So, first if your shoes have on mud, you wipe off it. And then
With a so-so rag or a rag and water or...
rub on water.
Okay. And then?
Then I clean it with the polish.
How do you clean it with the polish?
Yes.
With your hand?
No.
With what?
Brush.
With a brush.
Yeah.
See Exhibit A. That's the polish, that's the brush. What about the bottom of the shoe, Junior?
No, I wash the bottom around the shoe.
Oh, you don't need to polish the bottom of the shoe so it doesn't get all over the tile?
No, only wash if you wash.
Okay, well, here's Dave with the rebuttal. Did he forget anything, Dave?
Yeah, wipe off the book and clean it.
Uh-huh.
You know, for wash the bottom of it. One coat of the anyway.
Junior?
I said, when we go clean,
Why wipe off the bottom of the shoe if you're going to be walking out in the dirt and ground anyway?
that is my idea.
That is it. All right, Junior. Well, thank you for polishing your shoes. Now you just need some socks and a school shirt, and we'll get out of here, right? Right. Meanwhile, back on the comedy show here, we have an interesting predicament. Are you ready? Sit down, grab some coffee, because it's hilarious. Hilarious. Yeah, and it stars Junior. Hey, Junior. Whose bag is that?
Friend.
That's your friend's bag. Why do you have your friend's bag, Junior?
Cause he told me that I see him seat.
Uh-huh.
And he put him back in I see him seat. Cause
Uh-huh.
he told me back I see him,
Uh-huh.
but I don't see him. And I see him color.
That's actually, yours is brown, his is gray.
Come on, nobody pay attention.
Oh, wait, because why?
Nobody pay attention.
You never paid attention. So you have his bag. Did you do
Yeah.
his homework too?
No, me not. Me not know who's wrong.
No, you don't need to dig in his bag, Junior. Hello. That's his bag. We know that. I was joking about the homework. Anyway, maybe he gets his bag back today?
Because me stuff them in there.
Yeah.
In tablet too.
Oh, yeah. That's probably a good idea to give that back. And that bag actually looks pretty full compared to your bag. Like, you didn't notice it was a lot heavier than your bag?
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting. That looks like a real school bag with real heavy stuff in it. All right, well,
What?
hopefully, shout out to his friend. Hope you get your bag back today, because Junior has it. And this has been your comedy clip for the morning. You can't make this stuff up. Whew. All right, dude. Go get him. Good luck. Do you know which test you have today? The easy ones. That's which ones. Haha. Bye. Okay. Bye. Let's come back with the right bag this time. Make sure you come home with the right bag. Yeah. So, true story. Built this lovely doghouse, right? For the lovely dog. And the dog prefers to live outside. Yeah, you see that? That's what the dog thinks its house should be. Bubby, we need to go in the doghouse. Look, it's dry, it's beautiful. It's all yours. Okay. We'll keep working on it. So we talked to Junior today about the magic of shoe polishing. Any tips and advice?
Tips and advice.
Tips and advice, yes. What's the easiest, best way to polish your shoes? Like the night before you go to school, not the morning of when you're ready to leave. That's
easier way.
I don't know, you tell me. I don't polish shoes.
In the morning, it's easy.
Right, but
Why look shine?
so if you shine it at night, it won't shine in the morning?
You can't say yes.
Okay. So maybe you should shine it tonight when you get home? Huh?
That I think.
Okay. Well, everybody else left already. And the world is your oyster out there. Am I going to buy the cologne today? I will try, Craig. I will try. Are you going to get to school on time? Your bag looks awfully empty. Although you guys have tests, so I don't know if you're supposed to bring stuff. Testing for 2 weeks. End of the semester. With shiny shoes. Go to school.
Shiny shoes.
You just shined your shoes.
Oh, dear.
Your socks look amazing, by the way. Good luck, sir. Get those testers. Don't worry, I'll get the grill, you get the gate. We'll call it even. Bye. What's that? What? What? Yes, you have your fare. You don't have to come back this time. Bye. Oh boy. So another gloomy day here in St. Mary with hints of blue sky. See it? Yeah, I see pieces of it. It's supposed to just be cloudy today and not too much rain, thankfully. So, as you guys have seen, we have quite the new soakaway being dug out and some fun drone practice along the way. But supposedly, watch the mud, it's gonna be 4 feet deep and about 30 feet long. Woo. Yeah, that's just the beginner part right there. And then, man, and we got some rain last night, so she got some water in it. And unfortunately, we've had some friendly fire, some casualties, because the dirt's got to go somewhere. So we've brought the okra and some sorrel back into the earth for now, and our goal is to salvage what we have left. Hey. Oh well, we'll get them next season. story, man. When you got leftovers, just a little bit, corned beef and some mac salad noodles, toss in some baby okras and a few eggs. Offer some to your wife, who says no thank you. And you got yourself what Pops used to call jumbo gumbo. His name was Jim. Jumbo gumbo, yeah. Just throw a little bit of everything together. Top it off with our favorite bread, a delicacy. There it is, Jack's Bakery hard dough bread. You only need one piece because they're large and they're dense, just like me. But I'm gonna call this a breakfast win. Thanks, Jack's. Meanwhile, why worry about breakfast when you could already be looking at your dinner? And I think it gets a bad rap. That's right. We are having cow's foot tonight, man. Currently frozen. But, yeah, I don't know why. Not exactly a staple where I was growing up in Minnesota, but pretty fantastic. In fact, one has grown to enjoy the cartilage and the texture, the chewy texture of the cow's foot. It reminds me, speaking of growing up again, yeah, we used to have like pork chops and stuff, and I used to cut the fat off of the pork chop. I mean, pork's pour before you as it is, but then, yeah, I cut the fat off, only to get older and realize that's the best part. So stick around to the end, because there's going to be cow's foot. Right? Right. Okay, good news, I suppose. Progress is being made. They confirmed, yeah, that old-timer clay pipe that never got replaced when we first had piping done, is in fact busted. And yeah, water coming in. The source has been located, but yeah, we're headed in the right direction. Speaking of headed in directions, we are, I probably put it on the thumbnail, celebrating our 15th wedding anniversary today. And while going someplace fancy and amazing and poshish, because that a word, poshish, may seem like the normal thing to do, I think we're going to do things a little different. As we slide through the mud, woo, we are going out to Robbins Bay, which, for those that know, it's in between the towns of Port Maria and Oneida Bay, and there's a couple quaint little seaside restaurants that we're just gonna hang out at and have a little chat about life and 15 years of whatever this has been. Whew, 15 years. Yeah. 15 years ago we decided, hey, let's try out the whole marriage thing. Long distance. Took us a year and a half to get through immigration. So even though technically we got married in 2009, we didn't get to actually live together until this following spring of 2011. Yay, customs and immigration. And anybody that's ever had to go through the process, whoo, I don't miss it one bit. Speaking of processes, yesterday, well, let's phrase that. On our way back from the resort, we got our nice little standby police that wave you over in the road, little police pit stops, you know. We've always gotten through every other time, but no, that day was our day, and found out that our vehicle fitness had expired just a few days prior, and so we got off on a warning, a gratuitous warning, because rumor has it there's usually other ways to handle getting pulled over, but ours was strictly a verbal reminder that come Monday, meaning yesterday, go and get your vehicle inspection done. So I learned, thankfully, we didn't have to go to the tax administration office in Port Maria, because that is a patience tester, we're going to call it that. You can actually pay for your fitness online now, thank you. Tax Jamaica website, and then just bring the receipt to the fitness place right on the side of the water in Port Maria, and we did that yesterday. They checked the tires, checked the indicators, checked the horn, checked the VIN number, make sure it matched the paper, and 4,500 Jamaican dollars later, our vehicle is fit for another year's adventure, so long as I don't hit anything along the way, or nothing hits us. But yeah, that was an interesting experience. So finding out that in Jamaica, at least for this particular vehicle, the 2018 Voxy, it takes about $100 US per year for license and registration. Not license, what do you call it? Fitness and registration. Yeah, it's about 12,800 or so for the year fancy sticker, and then another 30 US. It's about 70 US and 30 US for the fitness. So glad to get those taken care of, and gonna head out to Robbins Bay as soon as Sonia decides to join us for lunch. Little 15-year anniversary luncheon. Who knows what topics will be discussed, what topics will be avoided, and if we'll ever get there. Cool.
Even?
Yeah. And yes, the pipe has been busted, or was busted. He's reached the pipe and the point of no return at this point. It's getting close.
The pipe has been busted.
Well, it was busted, but it's definitely busted now.
So it wasn't busted?
No, I just said it was busted. Really? Guava for one, huh? Is that...
Well, I
didn't know we're having appetizers. Apparently I should have ordered an appetizer before I left. So we're gonna... Huh?
Yeah, that one.
You ordered a guava to go?
I see it up on the tree, so I'm say, alright.
You got through the drive-thru, apparently. Did you close up the back?
Yep.
You have their keys?
Yeah.
Don't do that, Sonia. That's not funny. Yeah, put it in the car in case we separate. Yeah, funny story. Yesterday, Sonia got a foot job. A foot. We didn't even show him your feet. You covered them up.
My foot. Yeah, and then dry.
You covered up the feet.
You going this way?
Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Yeah, so true story. Yesterday, Sonia had her first foot day, foot spa. What do you call it? Foot pedicure. So I learned this much: manicure is your fingernails, pedicure from like the podiatrist just deals with feet. And Sonia knows I don't deal with feet, so she got them all shea buttered and sanded, grounded. I don't know, whatever they do. They look amazing with pink nail polish.
Then once it.
Okay, well, before this day is through, stick around. Before the end of the video, I will get a shot of Sonia's feet when she's not paying attention. Oh gosh, you should have got your hands done too. So
No, they do the nails.
They did your nails, but not your fingers. They drew the line. Like,
I
can handle it.
Money I couldn't buy.
Well, it's a lot more affordable here than it is
in the US.
In the US, that's for sure. Because your foot day was like 4,000, right? 3? No.
So they do foot, and I threw the raise rent on them, I didn't charge.
Oh, boy, honey.
But anyway, a foot was like.
I'm getting the true story this time. Oh, okay. And hands was another 1,000. Okay. And then of course she had to go buy a pair of slippers because she wore shoes to the foot specialist.
Yes.
Happy anniversary. Enjoy your new feet.
Thanks.
You're ready. What did I get? Some patience and tolerance. Not a lot of it, but it's still growing. Hopefully.
No, we cooked dinner together yesterday anyway, so.
What? We dug the yard together in vain. It was good exercise. We're working off our resort food. Speaking of food, we are headed to Fanso's, I think. Is it called Fanso's? Sounds fancy. But, yeah, there's some beachside restaurants, and I've seen pictures of the place on the Google review from like 3 years ago. Not sure if it still exists, but only one way to find out. Ready?
Go there.
Let's to go. So we're going. Exist. Oh, this is so nice. We're gonna sit right there. Right there on the edge. I hope I don't lose my drone. Yes. This is cool. This is nice. I don't know where to park. Sorry, that's all. Oh, stupid. No, just park over here.
Maybe.
Oh, there's the hotel. That's the hotel.
That's the hotel.
Mm-hmm.
So we shall take pass and never the hotel.
Oh, that's a different hotel. We're gonna figure it out. All right, happy 15-year anniversary.
Cheers.
Found ourselves a new friend. What's up, buddy? Don't tempt me with a good time. He'll be in your bed before tonight. Yes, it is, dude. Thanks for noticing. What's up? Where are we going, man? Yes, we're headed to the edge. All right, this is where you convince Sonia to go a little bit further than what she wants to. To the edge. Literally. Oi! Okay. Welcome to Robbins Bay. There's the hotel. Cool. Aww. So it's a Stray Cats. The owner of the restaurant has said not exactly throw these around because the ladies that visit doesn't like them and he has to run them. Super awesome. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Son, he needs a home. It's a stray. Oh, he doesn't even claw you or bite. Oh my gosh, honey. How? How do you sleep at night?
I sleep.
He's out here in the wilderness all alone. He's
Up here.
Uh-huh.
You're not here in the wilderness all alone.
He would love the veranda. It's got patio furniture that he could sit on and we don't have to worry about it getting clawed up. Look, he doesn't even claw me. He just does a little, oh my gosh. So on. Don't give me that look. You tell him. You tell him to his face. Tell him, dear.
No.
Tell him to his face.
No.
You've said that before. You and I both know how this ends. I promise he won't go in the house. You good? He won't go in the house. Holy hair. It's a little windy. Yeah, sorry, no drone shots. I had a close call at the hotel. It just, yeah, so we're being a little more cautious, but you get the idea. Swan! Swan! He's got a motor!
What's
He's got a motor.
a motor?
Like he purrs. Oh, when he's happy.
Uh-oh.
Always coming to you. Uh-huh. No, he's like, nah, go to her. You gotta convince her, not me. Come on, man. Oh. Okay. Okay, take your time, you know, we just...
The handshake. Want to do the handshake?
Oh boy. Somebody's bonding. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he could be on roach and lizard duty. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He even cleans himself. Well, he doesn't look super dirty. I don't think anybody's bathing him.
You want to get them in?
Yeah, with their tongue.
Oh. Do you bathe yourself, sir? What's your name?
He needs a name.
They call it Jones.
What? Jones? We'll figure it out. Wow. Come on, Jones. Yo, true story. She just asked him if she could take the cat. And he said, yeah, he's had trouble. You should take him with you. Yeah, I'm not even making this up. Happy anniversary, dear. You gotta... You
I ain't carrying the cat home, Tyler.
You're not. He carries himself. Look. He just
Don't
chills.
say for me, follow you.
I will when we leave, dear. It's gonna be up to him.
Don't say for me.
It's gonna be up to him. Man, just when you thought things couldn't get better, guess who else showed up? Another friend! I know. You guys get along? Huh? Look at you, you're so cute too. Oh man. And they're not even fighting. They're working together as a team. That reminds me of Onyx, man. Look at those ears. Dang. All right, let me talk with Sonia, see what we can do. Okay, gentlemen and ladies. Hi, we've talked about this. We've divided the leftovers into 3 equal pieces, okay? You guys, 3 equal pieces. Piece number 1. Oh, no. See, they're gonna... Okay, now, where's the puppy piece? Oh, see, the alpha took it. Uh-huh. You get 1. Oh. You're doing great, dear. Okay, yeah, okay. And dinner served. Oh, wow, you did great. You're doing great, Swan. Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming? Uh-oh. Come on. Are you coming? She's gonna kill me. Are you coming? She's gonna kill me. Oy. Wow, those things go really good. Far those seats go back, like all the way. Sorry for the dirty car. Are you coming? Are you coming? Come on. No? You sure? You don't want to come with us? Last chance. Are you coming or not? You okay, you're gonna stay here? Alright, honey. I guess he's gonna stay here. You sure? What are you doing? Son! You're gonna stay here? You could come with us. Ah, you're so cute. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, buddy. We'll see you next time, okay? You don't want to come with. You had your chance, okay? All right. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. 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 We gotta go. You had your chance. Okay. Bye-bye. You sure? Last chance. You coming? Huh? No? You sure? Alright, we gotta go. Alright, buddy, we gotta go. If you're not coming in, we're gonna have to do it another time, huh? No?
Direction to Highgate.
Okay. Oops. I just turned off the car. Are you sure? You coming? No? Okay. Bye-bye. Gotta go. Okay. See you. Watch your head. Oh.
34 minutes, 19.7 kilometer.
I don't know where you went. But I don't want to run him over. You see
It's
him?
34 minutes. What?
You see the cat?
No.
I don't want to run him over.
I don't see him.
Ah, stupid. Oi.
I'm not welcome this one.
Could you? Because I don't need that on my conscience right now. I don't need a... Is he under the car? This is the anniversary drama. Huh? He's not under the car? We're gonna get out of here. Well, you didn't think we're going home, did you? No, it's the beginning of the month. The boys need cologne. If I don't get them a bottle of cologne.
Polo. Play black.
So, I think we're going to start the whole holiday challenge today. Why not? We have two options. We've got 3 colognes, not the body mist, like actual whatever cologne, similar in price actually, like $5.80, $6.20, and $7.80. And the challenge is that this holiday extravaganza, this holiday adventure coming up, I think we need to dissolve the idea of fairness, of like everybody gets equal things. And I don't know, like this is going to be a challenging experience, but we're going to maybe talk more about that tomorrow. But for today, I'm debating whether we leave the price tags on them or we take them off.
I should take them off.
Why?
Just so nobody don't know how much it costs. So then say, oh, me want the one there, or the one that get a dear price, the one there, and the one that get a cheap one there.
Well, they're gonna not get to choose based on the appearance of the box. We're gonna do kind of like we did last time, a random drawing of sorts. But I think my vindictive, more entertaining version is if they keep the price tags on, then yeah, see how that plays out. Does this is a marketing thing, right? Like, does the price of the product dictate the quality of it?
No.
So just because this one says $5.80 and this one says $7.80, are they suddenly going to say this
one better than the other one?
The more expensive one smells better. So,
I don't think so.
Or the other part is you take the price tags off and then make them try to figure out were they the same price or were they different and which one was the most expensive. We could almost do like a blind science experiment. Which one had the most price based on the scent? So what do you want to do? We gotta have some fun with it.
Okay.
That was a
Keep the price on then.
I'm saying
I would take the price off. I don't matter what he wants. I would take the price off and then choose which one they want.
Based on them not wearing their seatbelts? Sonia.
You know, right?
Wow.
Your son go beep.
It's not me.
Everything said the cup wasn't around.
I know, except I think we'll be fine. Anyway, so yes, I will take a picture of each of them with the price on. And then, now we can even bribe them really, because then we'll take the price tags off, and then they'll choose theirs, and then they'll ask, well, which one costs more? It's like, well, I guess you'll have to watch the episode and find out. Which one do you think costs more based on the smell? Like, marketing and advertising.
I know.
You know. We're going home.
It's gonna be sad.
Good evening, YouTube. So me just come from school and I go do my homework. Me ask Andrew how was in there. Evening, Andrew.
Evening.
How was your day? What you learn at school today? Oh, what you eat at school?
We eat rice and fried chicken
Alright,
and vegetable.
alright.
There I was trying to get the shot, and this is what I got. What happened? That was your sneak attack. What are you doing? That was the one. That was the moment.
Moment for
For the foot reveal. I'll get you before the end of the night. Oh yes, you can't wear socks forever. Gotta make it to the doghouse, dude. In one piece.
What keep on following me?
Go hold the food away from him. You have the food in his hand. Can you imagine how hungry he is? He hasn't eaten since this morning. Huh?
I can't throw away this one.
No, we'll put it in his doghouse where I put the food dish. You can do it.
Wait, puppy,
Puppy.
wait.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Go, Andre, go. Puppy. Oh. Come on, Andre, you can do it.
Puppy.
Come here. Come here. You gotta get the cup, dude. Really? Andre, go for the cup, man. He's not gonna eat your hand. He wants the food. All right. Okay, when he's done eating, you get the cup. Almost. Be patient. Kids.
This is Andre Cam and it is story time for Dave.
Yay. All right, you ready?
The Wonderful Adventure with Nils.
Of Nils.
Nils. Once there was a boy named Nils. He found learning very boring, and every time he read a book, he couldn't help falling asleep.
This has been story time with Dave. With Pepper Lights. You're welcome. Right? Right. Ah! Really? Before the night is through, Sonia, they will see the color of your nails. Gentlemen and gentlemen and gentlemen, we have reached the evening. In this bag are 3 colognes. Not body sprays, not body mists, not lightly scented body stuff. Cologne. There are 3 different colognes, and the colognes have different prices. How would you guys like to decide who gets to pick the bag first? So Junior should get to pick the bag first? Everybody's okay with that? Okay. Junior, choose carefully. No, you don't look. No, Junior, look the other way.
Hey!
You reach in, you take one. Okay. Junior got. Show it up, man. Let me see. I can't see, dude.
Play.
Play. Perfect. Just for you. Andre, I have 3 colognes. Andre, I have 3 colognes.
Yeah.
So that's for these 3 guys here. You can share some of my cologne already. But they needed colognes because I told them I'd get them a cologne. Okay? And you're not old enough to get super stinky yet, so enjoy it while you can. Cool. All right, Craig, Dave, there are 2 more colognes. Gentlemen. Okay. Turn your head the other way. No, you're not listening. I will find your hand. You can do it. Pick up 1 box. If you pick up 2 boxes, that's a problem. Pick up 1 box. Okay. What is it? Show them.
X.
Oh boy.
Exactly.
Craig, what does it say?
Taxi.
Dave, tell him what it says.
Taxi.
Taxi. Cool. Okay. Dave, the last one. Just, it's in the bag. It's in the bag.
That's the cologne of the cologne.
I think they're all good colognes because
Blue story.
can we see? Play blue. I don't know. It's not even English. But so, gentlemen, again, Junior, I better not see any plastic. I don't know why you're using your teeth because that's been an issue. But no plastic on the ground. The lady asked if I wanted to smell them. I said no, thank you, because it didn't matter to me. But did you make sure everybody gets to find out what they smell like, Craig? Everybody else would like to know what they smell like before you just put them away, I'm sure. Ooh. Oh, smelling test.
It smells good. It smells like
Which one?
water.
This.
It's not smelling.
Did you spray it?
Where they do them
I don't know. This is getting complicated here.
No, I'm not like a smell around.
And Sonia's going to give you guys her opinion because it's super important. Thanks, dear.
Yeah, that smell like water.
Like water?
Yeah,
Which
it
one?
smell this.
What are you talking
You know the
about?
smell too.
Spray me.
You know the
You
smell
missed.
too.
But
Do not get that?
it does not smell like water. I don't know what kind of water you're drinking, but
Gas swap, Junior.
Cool. It smells perfectly fine. I don't know what kind of water you're talking. What kind of water do you drink? Okay. So, plastic and boxes. Hi, Junior. Plastic boxes. Whatever you're not going to use, please make sure you put away. Right. I'm just glad nobody's like, which one's the most expensive? Because nobody seemed to care.
It's in the taxi.
Plastic, Junior.
You
Look
want
at that.
to Junior?
So I told the YouTubers that if you guys want to find out which one's the most expensive, you gotta watch the video when it comes out. I'll put the price of them on there. I'll get the last laugh on this one. What's that? Oh, unless Sonia reveals it to him because she can't play along. Yikes. Hold on, let me get the shot. Swan, hold on. Wait, you gotta back up.
Take your hand off of me. Take your hand off of me.
Oh, I knew I'd get her. I knew it. I told you. They're so pretty. Good job, dear. I knew I could do it. Good job, Junior. You did it. Distracted her. Oh, yeah. I told him I'd get it. Cool feet and time to eat.
Junior, not even know say Tyler do need.
Yes, we didn't know.
Oh, yeah. He was in on it the whole time.
Yeah, Katara said me making distracted.
Time to eat.